to my channel. If you are new here and you enjoy what you see, I hope you consider subscribing. And for returning subscribers, I want to thank you for joining me today. Today we have another unboxing video, and this is for Asos Beauty Box. Asos is a huge online retailer. They do have complete store. They don't have only makeup. They have lifestyle products. They have everything for men and women, but they do also have a makeup department or beauty department, if we can call it like this, and they release every beginning of the month a beauty box. I think they have more than 1 year since they are doing like this. This is not a subscription. This is a box that you see on their website. You can also see what is inside and you decide if you want to pay it, if you want to purchase it or not. Their boxes, their regular boxes, used to retail for £12. However, this was only £10 plus shipping. You pay $2.99 for shipping, and if you purchase on their website over 25 or 30 pounds, then you are entitled for free shipping. And so far, this beauty box is only shipped within Europe or within European Union, if I'm not mistaken. One thing I've noticed they started to do and I don't like is the fact that the box is shipped quite late. I purchased this box on 1st or 2nd of December, and when I'm filming we are in December 17, so 2 weeks to get this box to my address, when I can get products that I buy from America, from United States, in 1 week or so. But this is not the shipping problem, it's the dispatching problem, because they kept it on their store for more than 1 week before they shipped it. So I got the shipping notification on Friday and I got it, today is Tuesday, so only 3 working days for shipping. It's normal coming from UK. If I haven't mentioned, all the boxes are delivered from UK. That's why the prices that we're referring are on pounds. I love they started to do more personalized boxes. So yeah, I love the print that this box has to it. Because I even forgot what was the name of this box. I can see here on the invoice they sent it to me. Oh no, this is a returning note that if you send it back to them, you need this paper sheet. And we have here the Asos Ultimate Gifting Box, and they are saying that you are saving 70% off. So the value of this product is with 70% more that you are paying for it. Here you have the leaflet, which has the same print like the box, sorry. So they have the same print, almost similar, with snowflakes. And yeah, I love it. I will read the print, or I will read the leaflet in the end, just to not spoil what is inside. And here everything is wrapped up in a blue paper. Now I know what is inside, or at least I knew what it was inside when I ordered it. In those 2 weeks I kind of forgot what is inside, so I have the joy to discover together with you the products that we are getting for this month on Asos Beauty Box. So I know that most of their boxes contain 5 beauty products, which are either full size or deluxe or travel size. The first product that we are getting is a bath bomb. This is by Miss Patisserie, now I remember, and I have got another bath bomb from Miss Patisserie, but that one it's in the form of cupcake. I got it from another beauty box, but this is more light. But I love the scent. Of course it's wrapped up, so that's why the scent is not so powerful, but I love that you have it in the frost pink and frost silver and pink. Yeah, and it's very, very big. It's quite heavy. I don't recall to have such a big bath bomb so far. So I think from this you can get 2-3 usage, depending how much you leave it to sink and melt in your bathtub. So yeah, this is our first item. Next is the product that made me purchase this box, because the value that this product has pays for the box. So the next product is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, cleansing balm, and we have here 15 milliliters. And I've had the same quantity last year. I've used it up completely. I've also have their cleansing lotion, which is meant for your lids and eyes. Doesn't have any scent, and is this clear, whitish, waxy kind of balm that melts all your makeup in no minutes. So I really love it. This and the one from I forgot the name, I'll pop it here, are my favorite products for removing makeup. Next product is by Carmex, and it's a long-lasting relief for dry chapped lips. Suffering from dry chapped lips, Alfred Wolbing invented Carmex lip balm in the USA in the 1930s years. The Wolbing family still runs the business today, and Carmex has become one of the most loved lip balms, with over 130 sold every minute. So why I haven't heard about this brand before? Okay, so I'm not sure if I will be able to finish it or to use it. Maybe I will give it to a friend, because I have quite a bunch of lip balms, but this is something very useful to give it as a present or as a filling stock during Christmas. So yeah. The fourth product that we are getting is a full size, and is by Sika Pair, and is a sheet mask. Tiger Grass Calming Mask is by Dr. Jart, and is from their line called Sika Pair. Sika Pair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, because it was sounding some familiar to me, but I didn't know exactly where from to get it. I think I have something from this range, or I have had before, and I have used similar mask, but I forgot. So, cleanse, how to use it: cleanse and apply toner, peel off and discard the film liner, and apply mask, adjusting around the eye and mouth. Leave for 10-20 minutes, remove mask, and gently pat remaining serum until fully absorbed. Tips: apply Sika Pair serum first to optimize its results. So I might have that serum, I'm not sure, I need to check. Maybe I have the serum or the toner from the same range. But yeah, really enjoy that I've got another sheet mask. So this is becoming like a rule or something like that. On every beauty box that I'm getting now, there should be a sheet mask, which I'm actually okay with. And the last product that was also exciting for me is it by Origins, and is it their Plant Description Anti-Aging Power Serum, and you do get here 15 mils. And you don't get so many other informations. Anti-Aging Power Serum, okay. Apply morning and evening. I think it's sealed or so. No, it's not sealed. Okay, just I want to check the texture. So okay, it's, you can tell. Yeah, it's this one. Oh, it's really lightweight. I love it. It smells really nice, and I feel it's really hydrating. So yeah, definitely a product that I'm keen to use during winter, mostly because I'm almost out of my day serum. So this, it will come handy, and it's already absorbed, and my hand is really soft after that. So I'm really excited to try that, because I love the Origins products. And those are all the products that we've got on the ASOS, I forgot the name, okay, sorry, on the ASOS Ultimate Gifting Box. So we've got a sheet mask, a face serum by Origins, the Clinique Take the Day Off, Carmex lip balm, and the Miss Patisserie bath bomb. And now let's see what The leaflet tells to us, the ultimate gift for the festive season. This month's Asos box is the gift that keeps giving. We are talking 5 of our 5 face plus body goodies to give you some extra TLC throughout a busy December. Firstly, you've got Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, the ultimate cleanser to melt away your makeup, leaving your skin feeling soft and squeaky clean. Then try Origin's Transcription Anti-Aging Power Serum with cucumber and apple, which helps tone and plump your skin while targeting any fine lines. So we find out now what is about that serum. And for some serious pampering, sink into the tub with Dr. Jart's Psychopair Tiger Grass Facial Mask and Miss Patisserie's vegan-friendly butt ball, which has festive silver sparkles and a mandarin scent. This sounds so exciting, I can't wait to use it. Finally, to soothe dry chopped lips over winter, the Carmex Original Lip Balm Tube provides a long-lasting protective barrier with cocoa butter for a super smooth finish. This is all the information that we are getting related with the product that we are getting on the box. I will search on their website and I will put the prices for those products, either if I will find the price for the full size or for travel size, but we are supposed to find all the products from the box on their website and to purchase them separately if you are enjoying what they are giving us to try on their monthly beauty box. Okay, those being said, we are closing this unboxing here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed what you see and you'll come back for more. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I hope you will stick around and you consider subscribe before you leave. And other than that, I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Have a great, blessed day ahead. Bye bye!